After December 14th, he's going to speak English, and the fight, I don't think it's going for full 12 rounds. I'm going for the knockout.
In the first of 2 rounds, and there's the right hand lead by Maidana that sticks. Another right hand. Broner goes down for the first time in his career. He's hurt bad, and he's hurt.
Adrian Broner, sobrang nagpasalamat pala sa unang pagkatalo niya sa kamay ni Marcos Maidana. Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw pod sa mga Bisaya diya. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, pasuporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ang video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. Bago ang lahat, congrats pala kay Adrian Broner sa unang panalo niya matapos ang 2 taong pamamahinga kontra sa undefeated Puerto Rican boxer na si Giovanni Santiago via unanimous decision. Adrian Broner, o mas kilala sa bansag na The Problem, 4 Division World Champion, magaling din na boxer, may malakas na suntok, matibay at may mabilis na footwork. Pero sa kabila niyan ay kilala din siya na magaling sa trash talk.
And the fight, I don't think it's going for full 12 rounds. I'm going for the knockout.
December 14, 2013 sa Alamo Dome sa Texas, USA. Nakalaban niya ang kilabot sa welterweight division, ang kilalang knockout artist na si Marcos El Chino Maidana. Ang laban ay para depensahan sa unang pagkakataon ni Broner ang kaniyang WBA World Welterweight title na nakuha niya sa kamay ni Paulie Malignaggi. Bago ang laban ay sandamakmak na trash talk ang binitawan ni Broner kay Maidana, habang si El Chino ay tahimik lang. Sa presko nila andon pa rin ang patutsada at lalo na sa weigh-in nila. Sa gabi ng kanilang laban, bit-bit ng challenger na si Maidana ang impresibong kartada na 34 wins, 3 losses at 31 dito via knockout, habang ang undefeated champion na si Adrian Broner ay may mas impresibong boxing record na 27 wins, 0 loss at 22 dito via knockout. 30 na itong si Maidana at may 5'7 na tangkad, habang 24 pa lang itong trash talker ay si Broner at may 5'6 na tangkad. Sa kanilang pinakahihintay na laban, naging sobrang ma-aksyon talaga ang bakbakan. Marami ang nagulat at namangha sa tapang ng dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. At ang resulta, na-upset ni Maidana ang hambog na defending champion. Nakuha niya ang titulo, habang ang trash talker na si Broner ay nalasap ang pinakaunang talo niya sa kanyang karera. Matapos ang laban, sa mga interview, natanong itong si Maidana kung ano ang masasabi niya sa laban nila. Sagot naman niya ay di daw niya maalala ang round 12 dahil sa lakas ng mga kamao ni Broner na tumama din sa kanya. Sa parte naman ni Broner ay aniya, sa totoo lang daw ay may mga rounds na di daw niya maalala dahil din daw sa lakas ni Maidana, na matatanda ang nagpatumba sa kanya sa round 2 at round 8, ang kauna-unahang knockdown niya sa kanyang buong karera. Dagdag pa ni Broner ay sobrang nagpapasalamat daw talaga siya na natalo siya kay Maidana dahil bago ang kanilang laban ay nasa maling landas daw siya, nalulong sa mga bisyo, lumaki ang ulo at nasangkot pa sa mga gulo. Sobrang nakatulong daw talaga ang pagkatalo niya. Bahagyang namulat ang kaniyang mga mata sa maling daan na meron siya, dahil kung nanalo daw siya sa laban nila ay marahil patay na daw siya. It helped me a lot. It slowed me down a little bit. If I win that Maidana fight, I probably be dead right now. Man, I was moving so fast. You know, God worked in mysterious ways. Sa ngayon ay magkaibigan na daw sila ng Maidana. Business lang daw ang boxing at walang personalan. Sa mga bali-balitang magbabalik daw si Maidana ay gusto din ni Broner na makabalik na si El Chino dahil gusto daw niya ulit makalaban ito. Kayo mga pre, kung sakaling magkatotoo na maglaban ulit si The Problem at si El Chino, kanino ka? Ang inyong opinion, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Sabay nating panoorin ang maaksyong laban ni Adrian Broner at Marcos Maidana. Unang round, pagtunog ng kampana ay umabante agad si Maidana. Pinaulanan agad si Broner ng kanyang mga kamao na parang mga bomba, at talagang sobrang nagulat si The Problem Broner kay El Chino sa pagiging sobrang agresibong boxer.
Maidana throwing all kinds of punches. Couple of right uppercuts, the last one just grazing the chin. And it's all Marcos Maidana here in round number 1.
He's gonna have to get active.
Oh, wow. Two, great start by Marcos Maidana.
Round 2, dito na. Di na talaga kayang pigilan itong knockout artist na si Maidana. Parang nilapa ng buhay itong si Broner, natamaan ng solidong kaliwa at bagsak sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa kanyang karera.
By Maidana that sticks another right hand. Broner goes down for the first time in his career.
He's hurt back.
And he's hurt.
Nakabangon agad ito, pero ilang beses pa naalog ang ulo mula sa malalakas na kamao ni El Chino.
I don't know if Lawrence Cole called that a knockout, but he's by Maidana. Another right hand by Maidana. Broner looking to hold on as he backs away.
Life here.
There's a lead left hook connect.
Let's keep focus here.
Left hook by Maidana. Let's fight.
So now we know why Maidana was throwing so many jabs to the body early.
Very good point, Paul. Terrific.
Round 3, patuloy ang laban pero bahagyang nakabawi na dito ang champion. Naka-adjust na sa depensa, nakakatama na rin ng mga kombinasyon niya.
Right hand connect.
And we thought that would be the big weapon for Maidana.
Measuring up, good defense, and there's some of the speed displayed by
And Maidana is just not throwing the jabs.
Maidana. Leverage of just over 90%.
Has shot his load and he's tired already. We'll see if that's the case.
Invested in this our feature a try.
Right now, going back to the jab, keeping by
Hand to the body by Maidana. There was a right hand to the body by Broner.
pace favors Broner. Here he is picking her.
So few punches. It's going to be, and that could have impact as this fight wears on.
So here at the challenger moment.
Sa mga sumunod na round, patuloy ang nakakagulat na bakbakan. Andun pa rin ang mga malalakas na kamao ni Maidana habang nakabawi naman itong si Broner gamit ang magandang depensa at epektibong mga kombinasyon niya.
The right in the another 4 point. As we go to the 6th round, Broner lands a left hook to the body.
One of the central questions in this fight.
Maidana,
47 to 36, but Broner's been fair.
and it's been exciting. Six. At the midway point of this fight.
Although Maidana always looks like he's one punch away from hurting.
Problem for Broner is Maidana's thrown over saying that they're all landing, but he's much busy.
Round 8, sa kanilang magandang palitan, nasa pull ulit ng kaliwa itong si The Problem Broner at bagsak ito sa pangalawang pagkakataon.
Maidana here. The hook got Broner for the second time in the fight.
Nakabangon ulit ito at ilang minuto na hitback itong si Broner na naging dahilan ng 1 point deduction sa parte ni Maidana.
For the second time in his career in round 8. Adrian Broner with the headbutt.
He's milking it, guys. Come on.
Maidana gets deducted a point for the headbutt.
Round 9, sobrang maaksyon pa rin ang laban pero ilang minuto naalog na naman itong si Broner. Tila wala nang magawa sa napaka-agresibong taktika ni Maidana.
The crowd is going crazy in San Antonio. The ninth, Maidana again beginning to pick up the pace, lands a left hand. Broner comes back with a left of his own. Has Maidana along the ropes, but it's Maidana's jab that keeps Broner at bay.
Every time Maidana throws the double jab,
We're headed to the 10th of what has been a fantastic fight.
Round 10, ilang beses pang nasapol sa ulo itong si Broner gamit ang pamatay ng mga kabao ni El Chino habang si Broner ay dahan-dahan nang nauubos ang kargada sa kaniyang bodega.
The duck points, he's got to go both ways.
Nice right and a left behind the guard. Does Marcos Maidana going to the body, ripping.
Round 11, wala na, nangana si The Problem Broner. Sobrang lamang na din ni Maidana sa mga scorecards ng mga hurado. Talagang nabugbog sarado ang defending champion sa laban na to.
Nelson Vasquez from Puerto Rico.
Couple of right hands connect.
Impressive in the fact that he's been knocked down twice. Felt a lot of power.
Seconds of the 11th round. Broner with the right uppercut, left hook. Maidana continues to work the body, lands another combination upstairs. Some good action here between the champion. Adrian Broner eats another lead left hook by the greatest years in recent memory in the sport of boxing. Maidana and Broner.
Sa huling round, walang humpay pa rin ang palitan nila. sobrang tindi pa rin ng salpukan na talagang hinangaan ng karamihan.
That's a fight. Back up Maidana. And a left hand by Maidana.
I'll tell you, Broner's knees buckled, but he still came forward.
Point of the year 2013.
Ang resulta ay panalo si Maidana via unanimous decision kontra sa undefeated champion at nakuha ang titulo sa kamay ng hambog na boksingero.
And the new welterweight champion of the world, Marcos El Chino Maidana.
Maidana does it.
Well, you know what? He said he didn't. He trained.
But for Marcos, Maidana becomes a champion for the second time in his career, having won.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.